Welcome to Acklam Car Centre. Our latest arrival in the commercial Defender 90 is this. Now you're going to have to be very quick to secure yourself this Carpathian hardtop commercial. It's new but registered, VAT qualifying. 200 miles on this is all it's done, but it is about its specification. A 90 like this, that looks like this, urban and bespoke styled, with air suspension, factory detachable towbar and the jump seat in the front, is a very, very desirable vehicle indeed to run through your business, claim the VAT back, claim all the tax benefits of doing so. It might be that time of year where you need to spend some money. Probably sold 8 or 9 of these similar vehicles this week, and a lot of those customers have needed to spend that money this time of year. Now, what is this? It's a 90, it's a hardtop. It is a D250 3-litre diesel, ready to go to work and in a new order. The exterior look is phenomenal. Now we have urban styling and bespoke styling. I'm going to pick out all those points as I go around, but I must reiterate to you that it does have the jump seat, it does have air suspension package, and it does have detachable tow bar. But then we have the exterior. So 22-inch urban wheels. We'll go around this way, Carolina, I think. Arch extensions in gloss black. This has got gloss black bonnet and wing inserts, which beef it up. Mirrors and roof with roof rails. Then we've got the light pod on the top. I've got the little controller in my hand, but there's another one situated in the car. How nice is that? Urban lettering in gloss black, midsection gloss black, urban badging, fully colour coded, so it's all black to the bottom section of the vehicle. And then you've got these add-on, don't even know what they're called, aprons, but it looks great anyway, doesn't it? Wheels make any car, 22-inch urban wheels with the black side steps. We've also got urban mud flaps, which I'll show you as we go around the back. Like I say, black section to the rear. It's got that brilliant sellability to this just from the way it looks. Darkened rear lights, urban mud flaps, so you can see they've got the urban detailing on here, urban rear spoiler as well, urban spare wheel cover, again gloss black bottom section to this. It is lovely. And then the colour, Carpathian grey, special paint colour, it's always very popular. There's your tow bar. Land Rover, so we'll have the towing camera in the front as well, and then your air suspension package. You can actually switch it from the cockpit or the back of the vehicle there in a new order. Lockable space underneath, plenty of space in the rear. What a vehicle this is. Now into the inside. So the main feature you'll see straight away is that third seat in the middle. That drops down into an armrest. This car's also got cold climate package, which gives you heated washer jets and, really importantly for me, heated steering wheel, which is a lovely feature to have on these vehicles, especially if you're going to use them for work. The likelihood is you'll probably buy this and just use it for a vehicle like you would a passenger car, but claiming the benefits of having the commercial, of course. Step always helping me get into one of these, and once I'm in, you'll see we have another controller for the pod light here, as well as a second one that's in my hand. Driver cockpit is fully digitalised, only 244 miles on this particular car. There's your heated steering wheel, there's your cruise, there's your lane assist. Then we have, if you come inside, the next biggest feature, the air suspension, switchable from these little buttons here. Digital climate control, we've also got pushing that heated front seat, and then we've got the 360 camera, reversing camera, top view camera. I always show this 3D camera because it's really impressive. Towing camera because we have the Land Rover detachable tow bar, and wireless smartphone integration, USBs, USCs. The seat in the middle here, which is also up, is just foldable down like so into an armrest with cup holders, more USBs and USCs at the back. And this is a fabulous vehicle. You have to admit, it is new but registered, it's VAT qualifying, it's on the website now. The exterior styling, bespoke and urban, the colour, everything about this, including the price, means that we will sell it. Hopefully someone is watching this video and they'll call me using my number on the screen. Thanks for watching.